Yes, I want to give the Lord thanks to Ryan for taking up this initiative. I've been burnt out in 2018, but before that, my son took sick, got burnt out 2018, and after that, my mother took sick and passed off. Shortly after that, I met in a terrible accident, and being there, unable to work and all of that, it was a great struggle. Then I met Ryan, who, he didn't told me, but he have great plans, and I just thank the Lord for it.
Here with me is Sis Dee, that lady that assisted me with the water, as well as invited me to her school that she works and helped me with the Campfire Fusion lifestyles stall. Yeah man, we'll do some business. Sis Dee. I did not think about having her talk about what happened to her with the burnt out situation, but she has no problem talking about it and says she wants to let it out. So, Sis Dee, you can tell people what's up.
Yes, I want to give the Lord thanks to Ryan for taking up this initiative. I've been burnt out in 2018, but before that, my son took sick, got burnt out 2018, and after that, my mother took sick and passed off. Shortly after that, I met in a terrible accident, and being there, unable to work and all of that, it was a great struggle. Then I met Ryan, who, he didn't told me, but he have great plans, and I just thank the Lord for him for taking up this initiative. And he has done a tremendous work on the house. And, it's really a beauty. He really gave it his whole heart. Yes, I just couldn't imagine that it would be so lovely, a wonderful makeover. Give the Lord thanks. I really appreciate much.
Yeah man, no problem. And let me tell you something guys. I go all out with Sis Dee, you know why? One day Sis Dee was selling some things for me. And when I call her, I said, Sis Dee, how things? She said, things slow but I'm here. And I said, so what you have to eat? She said, I don't eat anything. I'm just Sis Dee, oh you don't eat anything, food is there. She said, Ryan, I know you might want the money to go back to the US to do your medical. You see, when I heard that, tears come my eyes. This woman care about hey, she watch all of my video them, comment on all of my video them. You understand? As you guys know, she helped me get in the water when I had the drought. And it's when I came here I realized she had to climb over the wall to go to the neighbor's house to get the water. You understand? So just like how I saw the active, Sis Dee active just the same. You understand? Good soul man, real love. People talk about real people. And we took 1 week it took us to do all of that. Yeah man, every day I was here. When Sis Dee gone, I run it. When they came from work, she and her son, they assisted. And on the weekend, the last weekend, they were really kicked in with the job. Good people deserve help. Genuine people deserve help. She's a real supporter. I had no problem supporting her. Right? No problem. You understand? And I really enjoy the work, the experience. Yeah, I enjoy being here with Sis Dee and her son. Big up yourself every time, Brad. No, you watch the video, you did some good job painting and all. You understand? Yeah man, the teacher turned up and he really kicked out some work. So yeah, this is just what I wanted to say to you guys. Community, we take care of each other. People you see pushing out and want to do something, right? You help them, right? Especially the ones who really try. Yeah. So, Sis Dee, big up.
Thanks
Love
again.
people. We're at day 2 guys. The 2 sections, this one and this one, hard, dry. So I'm gonna try and put on the top on them. What I'm doing now, I'm framing up the portion that I'm gonna put on top of the cast for the sink. So I took the measurement for the length and width, and I'm gonna frame it up right now. So when we do the casting, we'll have the space to drop the sink in. So I'm gonna get to that now. So I finished with the frames to put on each of the columns. This side, right? I just screwed on this one. Not gonna put the screws all the way in. There's no need for that, right? I'm gonna screw on board to the wall to the next side. That's what I'm gonna do, and just join boards from here to here. So here's the next side. I'm gonna get it on right now. It's kind of unorthodox, but it will get the job done. As you can see, it's not a big counter, right? But everything is going smooth. I give thanks to the experience, and I know that I'll only get better. I can't wait to see the finished product. I am so anxious. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna, just like what I did on the next side, right? See where I marked the line for where the ply is gonna go on top. That's how I get the measurement for these, right? Then I just drill a hole through the board. One. Two. Then I just chain my bit to screw in the screws. And that's it. So I'll see you further on down in the video. I'll show you as things progress. I'm ready. So I won't be driving the nail home. But this is a piece for the back part of the wall. You can see these are the concrete nails they're making nowadays. So easy to break. But this is strong enough to hold things up. So all I need to do now is the front. Get a piece in between here, and that will be it. It'll be all done. So this here piece is from the previous counter that was there. Remember this, my subscriber, her house was burnt down, right? So you see this still come in handy. It will help in fixing the new counter. So this here piece is from the previous counter that was there. Remember this, my subscriber, her house was burnt down, right? So you see this still come in handy. It will help in fixing the new counter. And with all that, I just need to get ply, drop on top of this, right? So, in the meantime, I wait to get that. I'm just gonna cut the steel and get it ready. Steel time. want to get an idea where these holes are. I'm thinking so we're at this stage now, guys. Put them on, tighten them now. Get them tight, bind. This wire that I'm using is not the original binding wire, just stainless steel wire. Just as good, getting the job done. So, look all the way down the line. This is where the wires are on. I'm now just binding them together. So after I finish binding these together, then I'm going to frame around for the decking. Guys, the left hand at work, but I want to show you all something. I want to look at this. According to this here square, look in this here. According to my square, this is square. Yes. Square. The apprentice. It's all boxed up, guys. Finished boxing it up. Yesterday we had the rain. See the light giving me trouble because the place is now dark, right? But we're gonna try and see if we can get the sand, the gravel, cement sorted out, put in the mixture because I don't want to do the pass and this is there. So I'm gonna finish with this. Cast this today. So stay tuned for that. So guys, rain stop. A nice spot now, right? Mix it up and pour it in. Oh, I make water in the mixing. Yeah, my friends, come to the end of this thing. I have to be using my ring light now. So, look down at the surface. We have completed the kitchen counter. Right, I've done my best level it off to my standards, the apprentice standard, right? So, you know, I'm just filling out any little water gaps or holes that I see now, get it from it soft. Yeah, but yeah, I use my trusty board to level it off. But I've always said this, we can do things ourselves, save a lot of money. Done this is one of my subscribers, right? Help her out big time. She is always supporting me. So, you know, she got burnt out and fixing back some things. This is one of them, right? You see where we started. So the kitchen counter is done now. Look at it. You can love them at first, so I can start doing for my family and other friends and so on if they need the assistance to cut costs and all of that. It's nothing difficult, we just need the tools. Need the tools, right? And use our energy, which is our currency, and save some money. So, right from Campfire Fusion saying, you can do it if you really want, brother! So today guys, I'm going to be taking off the face here. I'm gonna pop these off. So I use screw on the front, so I'll be able to take it down easier. I use a screw. So let me just pull these out, and then I'm gonna use the hammer in the next section. So after removing the sides, this is how it looks, guys. Tell me if that looks straight to you. Not bad at all. Not bad. Not bad. I mean, first time, I think I did real well, and I'm only gonna become better as time go by. So yeah.